Let's go upstairs and buy adult for my age.
Ito na lang, mamo. Balik yun, balik yun. Uy, taas.
Ay, wala na pala dyan. Saan na ba yan? Wala na po pala yung store dyan. Yung may...
May balansya. Oo, yung parang abubot-abubot.
Opo.
Oo nga, wala na.
Yung mga sinadya ko. Opo. Ay. Ayun. And now guys, I'm going to save more to buy gardenia bread. I'm going to buy wheat bread from Gardenia. My favorite bread from Gardenia. And where is it? There you are. I'm gonna take 2 bread.
Yung 400 mo, wala na rin na.
And also, I wanna check the date. Manufactured date.
White bread mo, ay yung inulag ko lahat eh. White bread mo, nilagay ko lahat ko. Ay yung Pinoy mo, bakit marami ka lang?
I'm gonna take Caesar salad dressing for my salad. This is my favorite one. And I will check if there's peanut butter, chunky peanut butter. My favorite bread spread. Skippy chunky peanut butter. I want the small one. Oh yeah, already done. And let's go. And now I'm going to find my cologne, my favorite cologne. I wish there is a cologne of my favorite one. It's in here, and I'm going to. OMG, I think it doesn't have here. Doesn't have, oh my god. My favorite cologne. My secret favorite cologne here. It doesn't have, so I'm going to the other side. And I'm going to pay my stuff so I can buy Toron. Sorry guys if you get busy on watching my video. My camera is not really staying. It's moving up and down. Wala pa eh. Ma'am, pwedeng bayaran ko na yung Toron?
Ilan po?
4. Para hindi na ako babalik.
Turon lang kayo, ma'am.
Ha?
Turon with lang ka po.
Opo.
4 po. Ma'am, paten. 3K.
Let's go guys and buy Toron from here.
Ma'am, yung turon bayad na po.
4 po. Ayan po. Para hindi na ako babalik. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going home guys. Thank you so much for watching. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.